slanging the thousands of black died in the hurricane. It's made in America, made in America.
Let's go.
Crack babies, black slavery and HIV entered in the late 80s. Made in America, made in
This one right here.
Made in America, made in America.
All right, thank you. Bye. What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Yo English. What's going on? So yeah, look, busy morning. This is my first time riding in the rain. It was raining bad this morning, but here we go. I've been riding in basically rain mode all week, so now the bike's all dirty. So yeah, so instead of going to here, because I want to avoid as much traffic as possible, I'm gonna go to the gas station by the house. I'm gonna go to the gas station by the house. But yeah, man, it was a crazy morning. Like right now it's not raining, but this morning it was raining, and I was just like, oh my god, because I'm fair weather only, man, but I'm in a situation where my car has been at the dealership all week, and finally finished. I had a bunch of recall work done. They had to like change my tire, etc., and they're just now finishing it up. I'm like, I need my car today, people. I need my car today. So now that it's ready, I'm headed home because I have errands to run. And I can't do that shit on my motorcycle. Well, I can, but it's not ideal. So yeah, definitely first time filling up on the gas tank, and the gas surprisingly not bad for the time that I've had it. Gas tank, I like it. There we go, baby. It's got some fresh petrol. Take my time. These roads are shit. But yeah, man, this is it said it's supposed to rain all weekend. I didn't believe it till I got up this morning. At like 4 o'clock in the morning. Then I realized, oh, they weren't playing around. It is definitely coming down. Other than that, like I said, bike is all dirty. Gonna have to like clean this up hopefully this weekend, while it's just rainy outside. I'm hand wash it down, give it a sponge bath, clean it up. Because like I said, after this morning's ride, it's like everything that was on the road was just, now it's all over the bike. This bike just sounds so freaking good, man. The best sounding bike I've ever had. Like I said, just taking it easy, man. Taking it easy. Ain't trying to go drifting. I don't know if my keys are fucking this up. Like, I don't know what the fuck is going on with this shit right here. It's like my keys are reacting to it or something. Whatever it is, I don't like it.